Hey everyone, welcome back to your favorite life hack channel. Today we've got something really special for you. We're diving into some amazing hidden life hacks you can do with everyday household items. Trust me, these tricks will blow your mind. And make sure you stick around until number 7. It's a game changer. All right, let's get started with our first hack. Hack number 1. Turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags. Do you have old t-shirts lying around? Instead of tossing them, turn them into eco-friendly shopping bags. Just cut off the sleeves and neckline, then tie the bottom. It's a simple, sustainable solution. Hack number 2. Use a rubber band to keep your phone charger from fraying. Tired of your phone charger cables getting frayed? Wrap a rubber band around the base where it connects to your phone. This little trick will help prevent wear and tear and extend the life of your charger. Hack number 3. DIY air freshener with baking soda and essential oils. Here's a hack to keep your home smelling fresh. Mix baking soda with a few drops of your favorite essential oil, then place it in an open jar. It's an all-natural air freshener that's effective and affordable. Hack number 4. Use a coffee filter to clean your screens. Coffee filters are not just for coffee. They make excellent screen cleaners. Use them to wipe down your computer, TV, or phone screens without leaving any lint or streaks behind. Hack number 5. Repurpose toothpaste for polishing shoes. Got scuffed shoes? Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the scuffs, then rub with a cloth. It works wonders and brings your shoes back to life. Hack number 6. Use a hairdryer to remove stickers and labels. Struggling to peel off stickers? Heat them up with a hairdryer for a few seconds. The adhesive softens, making it easy to peel off without leaving residue behind. Hack number 7. Make a quick ice pack with a sponge and Ziploc bag. Here's the surprise hack. Soak a sponge in water, then place it inside a Ziploc bag and freeze. It turns into a flexible ice pack perfect for soothing injuries or cooling down on a hot day. How cool was that? I bet you didn't see that one coming. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these hacks and want more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.